guys, welcome back to another episode of Android tutorial. In today's episode we are going to learn about how to dim the navigation bar and status bar in Android using the system flag called the UI flag log profile. This technique is work only on Android version 4.0 and above. So here I'm going to create a new project. So click the file option and choose the new project option. I name the project as dim demo and change the default package name. So this technique is work only on Android 4.0 and above. So I change the minimum required SDK version as Android 4.0 and change the target version as KitKat, and here I'm going to compile it with Android KitKat. Okay, so click next. Okay, I create the project successfully. Here I add a button. So whenever user click this button, the status bar and the navigation bar is going to hide. Not hide, it is going to dim. So here on the main activity, here I click the here on the XML file I add an on-click method dim bars, and I already defined that method in the main activity.java file. That method contain a task that just show a method look at the navigation and status bar. So I just run the application now, run as Android application. Okay, now the project is successfully launched. So here this is the status bar. Now you can see that the status bar is now fully visible, and here is the navigation bar, it is also fully visible. So now we are going to dim these two bars using a system flag. Okay, so now we are going to code that. So go to that method. Here we are going to dim the navigation bar and status bar. So first we have to create an object of view class. So create an object of view class here. So I name it as decor view equal to this dot get window. There is a method called get window dot get decor view. So first we have to get the decor view. So here we got the decor view on this object called decor view using the get window method and the get decor view method. Okay, now we have to get that flag. So now we have to we are going to hide the status and navigation bar using a system flag called flag low profile. So we have to get that flag. So here I create an integer int UI options equal to view dot that flag name is u dot system system UI flag low profile. Yes, this one is, yeah. Okay, so I got that flag on this variable called the UI options. Now we have to set system UI visibility to this flag. So here I'm going to use that object of decor view. So decor view dot set system UI visibility. So here I provide that integer value UI options, okay, that contain that flag. Okay, so now whenever user click the button, that the status bar and the navigation bar is going to dim. So we can check it. Okay, now I am going to run the application again. So run as Android application. Okay, now the application is launched. Now you can see that this is the status bar. It is now completely visible, and here is the navigation bar which is also visible. So here I'm going to click the button. Okay, now look at the status bar. It is not completely visible, it is dim now. And now look at the navigation bar. It is also dim. The navigation bar is now just visible as some white dots. Okay, this is how we hide the navigation bar and status bar in Android 4.0 and above using the system flag. You can easily make this navigation bar and navigation bar and status bar visible by just click the status bar or navigation bar. It is now completely visible. Okay, so now I am going to demonstrate how to, if it is possible to undim. That means you can change the navigation bar into full visible mode by using some program statements. So here I am going to demonstrate that. Okay, for demonstrating how to undim the action bar and status navigation bar and status bar, here I again add another button into the layout called undim system bars that has an on-click method called undim bars. So here I define that method on the main activity.java class file. So you can easily undim all the dimmed system bars by just clear the flag that we recently set. So it is easy to undim the navigation bar and status bar by just passing a value 0 to the method called system set system UI visibility. So here we are going to do that. For that we again need an object of the decor view class. So just get that object on the decor view variable. So here I'm going to reveal the status bar and the navigation bar by setting decor view dot set system UI visibility into 0. So by passing 0 you can easily set all the flag. Okay, so now we can check it out. So I'm going to run the application again, run as Android application. So first I'm going to dim the bars. So now all the bars are dimmed now. Now I'm going to undim the bar. So click the undim button. Now you can see that now the status bar and the navigation bar is completely visible. Okay guys, this is how we dim and undim the system bars in Android. These techniques work only on Android 4.0 and above. I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next part.